What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today. If you are new here, hi, hello, my name is Amanda and it's nice to meet you. Now for today's video, we are going to be doing a mystery unboxing with Sarah Humphries Agency. Now I have done a mystery unboxing video with them before in the past, so I will leave that video down below in case you guys want to see it. But for this video today, they were so kind enough to send me another mystery box, which I have in my hands here. I literally received this the other day and I've been so excited to open it, but I thought, no. Let's wait and open it on camera with you guys and see what I got. So if you guys want to see what I received in this mystery box, definitely keep on watching. Okay, now I've just sliced open the tape on the box now, so let's open it up together. I am so excited. But first things first, we have a cute little card here and it says, "Hi Amanda, we hope you love these goodies. Can't wait for you to try them out. Love, Sarah Humphries Agency." Thank you so much, guys. I am so grateful for all of this stuff. But this is, oh my goodness, everything that we have here today. They honestly spoil me so much and I am so thankful for everything. Oh my goodness, this is just absolutely crazy. Let's go in with the biggest item in the box and it's this baby here. So this is the Lanolips Hand Cream Intense in the rose scent. Now if you guys know me, you know that I absolutely adore lanolin. I have been using them for honestly years and I've mentioned them in my videos so many times before. They are just such an incredible and just really good natural brand, and I will say the skin on your hands is just as important as the skin on your face, guys. Hand cream is an absolute essential. I use hand cream every single day actually, and I personally haven't used this one in particular yet. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's just the beautiful classic lanolin packaging, which I absolutely adore. So I'll read you guys a little bit on the back of this. So it actually says that it's a deeply moisturizing hand cream built on the hydrating power of natural lanolin to help and protect. It leaves a silky veil on the skin for continual moisture. Now guys, it does say that it's really good for your nails too. It's got shea butter, vitamin E and rose oil. So let's just put some on now. Actually, I haven't actually put mine on yet today, so this will be a good test. But hand cream again is just so important, and why not keep your hands moisturized as well as your face, honestly. But oh gosh, it smells so nice, and just feeling it on the skin, it is definitely hydrating, it is definitely moisturizing, and it doesn't leave like a really sticky residue or anything like that. It honestly just absorbs into the skin so nicely, and it just smells like an absolute dream. So if you guys want to get your hands on a hand cream, definitely check out Lanolips because they have honestly the best stuff. Now staying on the Lanolips theme, I also have these two lip balms here, which I believe must be like new flavors or scents that they've released. So I've got two here. I've got the peach scent and I've also got the watermelon scent. So the peach one is just the classic 101 ointment. I use this for literally everything. So this is good for your lips, your hands, your nails, any dry areas that you have on your skin. This is just the perfect balm to moisturize. The next one, I believe this must be a newer item, but this is the watermelon fruity jelly balm. I have never seen this one before, but this one looks absolutely incredible. It says on the back that it's a ultra hydrating lip balm with natural fruit extracts for a sheer fruity tint for dry, dull lips. So I mean, I've never used this one, so let's just give it a go on our lips today. Oh my gosh, I wish you guys could smell what I am smelling right now. This lip balm, the scent of this smells exactly like just a juicy, freshly cut watermelon. I absolutely adore this. And just feel like the touch of it on your lips, guys. It is so hydrating, so moisturizing. Now it's just giving my lips a really beautiful natural look, and that's exactly what I look for in a lip balm. Lanolips never ever disappoint me, honestly. And this is just such a beautiful color and scent. So this one, 10 out of 10 for me. Okay, let's go on to the next item now. I will choose this bad boy. So this is the Ciate London Dewy Sticks Bronzing Balm. Now I have never used Ciate London before or any of their products, so this is a definite first for me. But oh, okay, so The packaging looks really, really nice. It's just in this really pretty soft matte packaging. And like it says, it's a bronzing balm. So I'm curious to see, oh wow, okay, yeah, that is what the balm itself looks like. Just by looking at it, it looks like there's like a lot of glitter in here. So I don't know, let's just do a little swatch on the back. Now I don't really use, like I use cream bronzers quite a bit. So this actually might be pretty. But just, oh yeah, it definitely is very dewy, even like just on the touch. It has almost like a stickier consistency. So that's not usually my favorite when it comes to like a bronzing stick, but I mean, who knows, it might actually be quite nice on the skin. But I feel like it just blends away, honestly. So I don't know, I feel like this is something that I'd have to test out, but it definitely is dewy, like it says on the packaging, and the glitters actually aren't as prominent as it looks like in the balm itself. So yeah, I don't know. I feel like I'll have to play around with this one here. On to the next item now. Let's go in with this one here. So this is the Iri Perez Fig All Beauty Jelly. Now I have never used this brand before, so I'm very curious to see what this one does, but it looks like it's a cleansing or makeup balm. Yeah, actually, so it says it's a skin-loving all-purpose jelly that gently melts away all traces of makeup and impurities, leaving skin soft and clean without feeling stripped. Instantly melts away eye makeup, which is a plus, and you can use this dry or wet too, which is super, super handy. Now, it does say that it's infused with chamomile, clove, and sunflower as well, so that sounds very, very promising. But yeah, I actually really love makeup removing balms. I do use like a cleansing oil myself, but balms are really, really nice. Now, I've never seen one that has like a jelly consistency though, so this will be quite interesting. I'm curious to see what this one, oh wow, okay, it's definitely very like chamomile and like clove. Like that scent is just straight away very prominent, but that's what the jelly itself looks like. So it's definitely, oh yeah, definitely very jelly like, but it feels really, really soft on the skin, very, very smooth. I think I'm really going to enjoy this. And again, the scent is just very fresh and clean, so I'm excited to try this one here as well. I'll let you guys know what I think about it, but I mean, yeah, who doesn't love a makeup cleansing balm? The next item we have is this one here. So this is the La Marve Beauty Sleep Mask. Now this one says that it has ultra hydration on it as well. Now, La Marve in general have my heart. I've used them for honestly quite a while now, and they are one of my favorite skincare brands in general. I love all of their products, especially their vitamin C serum and eye cream as well. But I've never actually used the sleeping mask before, so let's see what it looks like. Oh my gosh, I love the packaging of this. This gives me Summer Fridays vibe. This is very, very beautiful. Now I'll read you guys a little bit on the back of this. So it says that it's a dewy hydrating sleep mask that will help repair, restore, and rejuvenate the skin overnight. It's got hyaluronic acid in it, which is what we love to hear in our skincare. But yeah, it's meant to hydrate dull and dry looking skin, apply 2 to 3 times a week. But yeah, this looks very, very promising. Again, sleep masks, I don't really use them very often, but when I do, they do actually feel amazing on the skin. So I'll let you guys know what I think about this one here, but so far I love everything about it. Let's go in with the next product now, and I have this one here. So this is from the same brand as the cleansing balm before. So this is from Iri Perez. Again, I hope I'm saying that properly, but it says on here that it's a cranberry lip and eye butter, which makes me think it's either a eye cream or an eyeshadow. So let's see what this one is. And okay, yep, it definitely looks like a eye cream. But I'll read you guys a little bit on the back of this. So it says, this butter deeply moisturizes while soothing and protecting the delicate skin around the eyes and lips. Whipped up with antioxidants and nourishing natural ingredients. This helps reduce fine lines and gives a long-lasting relief from dehydration. So we love the sound of that. Let's have a look and see what it looks like. So that's just the eye cream now. And it definitely has that really clean and natural scent that you smell in a lot of skincare items. It definitely feels quite heavy and like very luxurious as well for an eye cream. So I'm very excited to try this one out. I might just test a little bit on the back of my hand here And yeah, it definitely has that very kind of thick moisturizing consistency. It doesn't feel like sticky either, which is quite nice. I think this actually will be like really, really good underneath the eye. I have quite dark circles, so using eye cream is very, very essential for me, especially in the morning and night. So I'm excited to try this one out, and I'll let you guys know what I think. But if you guys have used this brand before, or this particular product, definitely let me know what you think in the comments below, because yeah, this is a brand new like product and brand for me, so I'm very excited to try this one out. Alright guys, on to the last few items now. Let's go in with this one here, which I'm so excited about. So this is from the brand La Marve again, and it's their day cream with turmeric and licorice. Now guys, I absolutely adore this. This moisturizer is one of the best moisturizers that I have used in a very long time. I'll read you guys a bit on the back here. So it says, this advanced brightening day cream works to reduce the appearance of discoloration and pigmentation. It delivers radiant and even skin tone. It has pomegranate oil and vitamin E, which protects against free radicals to promote a healthy, youthful glow. It's really good for people that have pigmentation, uneven skin tone, sun damage, age spots. It's just a all-around great hydrating moisturizer. It's not very heavy either. It's quite a light consistency, but it feels so hydrating and moisturizing. I absolutely adore this product, and I think you guys will too. If you check out this brand and you want to buy anything from them, I highly recommend this product, because this has honestly been a game changer for my skin, and I'm so happy that I have another one. On to the next item now, and it's this one here. So this is from Ciate London again, and it's the Dewy Blush Glossy Cheek Tint, and I do have the shade Papaya here. So I'm very excited for this one. Honestly, guys, anything that's like blush related, honestly, just tickles my pickle. Like, just blush in general is my favorite step of all makeup. So I'm very excited to try this one. So this is what the packaging looks like. Definitely a lot smaller than what I was expecting, but that's totally fine. Let's see what the color and consistency feels like on the back of my hand. Definitely straight away, it has a very like kind of almost like corally, like pink effect to it. So that is really nice. I feel like that's going to be a really nice color for like summer that we're in at the moment. And straight away, oh my gosh, the scent of this, it smells like strawberries mixed with watermelon, mixed with like peach. I love the scent of this. Oh my goodness. It definitely almost has the same consistency as the bronzing balm that we tried earlier before. So it has like a little bit of like a sticky consistency, but that's not too bad. I don't mind that if it's like a little bit. So it's one of those things that I have to test out and see like how it applies on the skin, especially with like powders and stuff too. But yeah, nothing wrong with a dewy blush. So I'm excited to try this one and see what I think. But so far the color looks really pretty. It definitely looks dewy from the camera here as well. So I think this is going to be just a perfect like blush to just pop in your bag and have on the go. So yeah, I'm excited to try this one out. Okay, on to the last two products now, guys. We're going to go in with another Ciate London product. I feel like there's definitely a theme with Ciate London right now, but this is the Everyday Vacay Coconut Lip Oil. I love anything that's hydrating and glossy on the lips, and I feel like we might have another one to add to the collection today. So again, it says that it's a nourishing lip oil. It's non-tacky. It has a blend of coconut, jojoba, and avocado oil, and it says that it's delicately coconut scented. So I love the sound of that. I love coconut, so I have a really, really good feeling about this one, guys. This is what the packaging looks like. I love the look of this. Definitely, again, very simple and minimalistic, which is my kind of style. So let's see if it's coconut scented. Can you guys tell that anything that smells good is just straight away 10 out of 10 for me? I love, yeah, this is 100% coconut, guys. Oh my goodness. Where is my mirror? I honestly just want to put this on the lips and just see what the go is, because this just looks incredible. So let's just go in now. Oh, wow. Okay. Oh my goodness. This I think that this is my favorite thing that I've ever like put on my lips. Look just how juicy and glossy that just made my lips. Yeah, I love that. I love it. I don't even need to say anything else. This feels absolutely incredible. The scent, 10 out of 10. Texture, 10 out of 10. Definitely not sticky, just like it said on the packaging. It's very smooth, very juicy. Again, just that hydration is just straight away there. And it's just given the lips, again, this beautiful plump and gloss. I feel like this is going to be really good to sleep with. I feel like it's going to be great even as like a topper on top of like other like lip balms or lipsticks. It feels really, really nice, and I just love everything about it. It's as simple as that. I just love everything about it. I think, yeah, this is a 10 out of 10 for me. I wonder if they've got any other colors in this. I don't know. I'll have to have a look, but again, I mean, come on. Who doesn't want soft, juicy lips like this? Okay guys, on to the last and final item of this box, and I had to leave the best for last, and I have the Glasshouse Fragrances Diving into Cyprus perfume. Now, just their naming sounds so like sexy to me, so I'm so excited to see what this one smells like. It does say on the front that it has sea salt and saffron, which I feel like is going to smell really, really nice. Now, if you guys haven't seen my last mystery box video, I did test out another Glasshouse fragrance in there, and it's honestly, to this day, my favorite perfume that I own. It's incredible. All of their perfumes and candles in general are just elite to me, so the fact that I have another one to add to my collection is just amazing. So this is what the perfume looks like. Again, very sleek, minimal, classic, just amazing. So I mean, let's just test it out and see what we think. So, ooh, okay. This is sexy. Just straight up, this is a very sexy scent. It's, oh my God, yeah. Yeah, like that is a 20 out of 10. Picture this. Okay. You're walking the streets of Europe. You're in Italy or Greece. You're wearing this beautiful flowy dress. This guy bumps into you. He stops you because he smells your perfume. He falls in love with you. You have this beautiful fairy tale and everything is just happily ever after. This, where is it? This is the perfume. It smells so sexy and elegant and just mature. It almost kind of like has a men's scent to it, but it's definitely unisex for sure. It's just so soft on the skin and it just smells incredible. Like, that's just the only words that I can use. Guys, if you want a beautiful smelling scent, this one is it. It's so nice. I would personally use this just for nighttime, just because it does have that more mature, like sexier scent. So I would use this, like I said, for nighttime, but it smells very, very beautiful. Very beautiful, very light, very sexy. Yeah, it's definitely a gorgeous perfume. If you guys want to test this one out, if you see it in the shops, please test it out on your skin. I think you guys will really, really like this. And this would honestly be a really, really good gift as well. I know Christmas is coming up, guys, and a lot of this stuff would be such good gifts to give to your friends and family. And there you have it, guys. That is the end of today's mystery unboxing video. I really hope that you enjoyed it as much as I did. Definitely let me know in the comments below which one was your favorite or which one you would like to try the most. Again, I want to say thank you to Sarah Humphries Agency for sending me this stuff too. I am so grateful and so blessed. But yeah, if you guys like this video, definitely give it a like, comment, and subscribe down below. That would help me out so much. But yeah, thank you again so much for watching. Stay healthy, stay blessed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.